Howdeedoo! Ben Coaton here again. Welcome back to another video. It's a new guitar day. We have a new guitar. Oh yes we do. Let's go and have a look. So here we are. And as you can see, there she is. And the case tells us that it's Gibson. Oh yes it is. Let's go and have a closer look. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! How beautiful is that? Gibson Hummingbird. Absolutely beautiful. Very good condition. I part exchanged this for my Gibson J200 2005 historic collection, and it came along and I was tempted. I thought about it for a few days and went to go and have a look at this. It wasn't very far away from my house, so I went with my very good friend Kevin, who I sing in a band with, and had a look, had a play, had a chat with the guy, and in the end I came home with this. So let's have a bit of a closer look at the tag, if we can do. At the label even. Yes, there we are. So it's a 1960's Hummingbird, vintage cherry sunburst aged, and it's 2006. So basically what that means is it's a custom shop Hummingbird, and its specifications basically are to the original Gibson Hummingbird from back in 1960-61, and it's got an aged top, which means it's baked and cooled and baked and cooled, and the reason for that is not only does it look pretty damn cool, it sounds pretty damn good as well. All the usual bits on a Hummingbird, the belly up bridge and the lovely pickguard, the split parallelograms and the wonderful headstock. So there we are. That is my unboxing on a Saturday morning of my new Gibson Hummingbird. Very, very soon I will do a first look, as I did with my Gibson J200, and I will also be doing a first listen as well. And what I plan to do now with the guitar is give it a good clean and a polish using Gibson's polishing spray liquid thing, and change the strings, and I might even change the bridge pins as well, because they seem to be a plasticky kind of stuff. But the bridge, the saddle and the nut are bone, so that's an advantage. So we'll see. I'll probably get some bone bridge pins like I did on my J200, and also on my J15. So if you'd like to see the road trip and first look at my J200, please check out my other videos. Thanks for watching this video, and like, this video and subscribe to my channel, because I've just got 100 subscribers. What I'd like to do is get to 1,000, and then I will give away a guitar. So tell all your friends, if you'd like a guitar, then subscribe to my channel, and then we'll do a competition to win a fantastic guitar. I might even make a guitar for you. So there we are. Thanks very much. Come back again. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.